Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be taking a break from the bed slide. I know we've gotten part 5 done. If you haven't seen it, click on the link here and you can take a look at all of those. What we're going to be doing today though is reviewing a ceramic coating product from Avalon King. It comes in a really fancy box for like 69 bucks. You can get enough to do your motorcycle or your small car. For like 120 or something like that. You can do a larger car. Essentially what it's for, it will coat the exterior of your vehicle. You put it on the paint and it will create a ceramic coating that prevents things from harming the paint. It'll bead up and liquids will bead up and roll off. The idea is that any kind of dust or debris that would fine particulate that would normally get stuck on the surface of the paint and potentially be there to be ground in later on as a surface scratch would simply be wiped away very easily. The other thing that it can do, I don't know if it's as obvious. I saw this over on Chris Fix's channel. If you haven't seen him, hop over there, check him out. He's got a whole bunch of subscribers and viewers and excellent content on pretty much everything on how to work on an older vehicle. But what he uses it for in one of his videos is restoring faded plastic, and it'll stay that way for a couple of years. If you've got a vehicle with faded plastic on it, chances are you probably do. You can hit it as much as you want with Armor All or something similar, but after an hour when it dries, it fades again. This stuff will restore it and keep it that way for quite some time. So what we're going to be doing today is putting this thing on my truck's plastic trim pieces. I keep it really well waxed all the time, so I'm not really looking to put it on the paint at the moment. I bought this to restore the tow mirrors, the plastic trim in front of the hood, and along the rear bumper and the tailgate step pad a little bit. So I'll come up here and show you the content of the box. You get a really fancy box. It looks kind of like an iPhone purchase. You get this little card, sticker, instructions on how to use it. Very straightforward stuff. You can hop over to their website. There's an instructional video. Won't waste any time with this. Essentially what comes in the packet, pair of rubber gloves, the coating stuff itself. You get this microfiber cloth and this applicator sponge here. It's got a hard sort of side and then the softer side. And then to wipe or buff everything away, it gives you this really soft buffing cloth. So what we're going to do is take a look at what we're going to be putting it on today. And up here, you can kind of see the state of my tow mirror. This is dirty, but starting to fade a little bit. It is 7 years old. I'll hop up here and show you the plastic. It's just kind of faded over the years here. So I'm going to be putting it on the whole thing, coming back, and then just kind of showing you how it performs. This is more of a review for the product rather than a instructional video on how to apply it. Full disclosure, I'm not being paid to do this. I just kind of saw it and decided to do a review. Speaking of seeing it, I first became aware of this product. They have other products like this. There's ceramic sprays. They don't last as long as a ceramic coating that you wipe on. But I found this over on TFL Truck. I'm not sure if you guys have ever seen that. It's the Fast Lane Truck. They got a YouTube channel again, a whole bunch of content, really cool stuff if you're into trucks. Any kind of off-roading vehicle challenge, that type of deal. You can hop over there, take a look at it. I'll try to remember what it was and post it in the link below in the comments, but there is a coupon code you can get over there for like 25% off. So it's a really good deal. Shows up in the mail a couple weeks later, and I'll let you know here as soon as I finish applying it how well it works. Alright guys, back with you again. I've just finished up hitting all the plastic with the ceramic coating. That stuff is amazing. This was pretty dirty when I started, and it's got this coating completely on top of it, completely shiny still. It's been about an hour. It's about 95 out today. The sort of super faded plastic when I started, it's keeping that shine, so I'm pretty pleased with how this looks. Same deal over here. Not sure what the lighting will be like. If that's any better. For what this is, it completely restores the part for a lot cheaper than the cost of the part, a lot easier to deal and install. I also hit the plastic on this back bumper as well. Again, this is 7 years old and still now looks shiny, as well as this guy. So stay tuned. If you liked what you saw here, subscribe, like the video. Questions in the comments below as always, and in maybe another couple of days or so I'll have a review for you on this guy, the Lear cap, which I have now on here, and sort of what I think is awesome about it and maybe what isn't. So stay tuned.